Hello, hello. Beautiful day here in East Tennessee. Real quick, a 2019 Starcraft Autumn Ridge. This is a 171 RD and is a new floor plan. It's an 8-foot wide trailer, so you get some of the additional space inside. Real quick, a quick walk around. Single 20-pound propane tank on an auto regulator, power front tongue jack with LED light. Adjustable foot, 2 5/16 inch ball. Vinyl coated aluminum siding, power awning with LEDs built in, and speakers as well. You got the nice magnetic catches for your baggage doors, big pass-through storage underneath, fully wired for solar. Single axle, full-size spare tire, 4-corner stabilizer jacks, and no slide. Go inside real quick. About the Starcraft. So it's got a friction hinge door, which is really nice. This trailer only weighs 3,600 pounds. What I really like about it is for a single axle trailer, it's 8 foot wide. Typically they're only 7 foot wide, and they feel a little bit more claustrophobic inside. So this is a camper short, but you do have the ability to extend the bed over here onto the extra platform. There's storage underneath as well, obviously. You can see that. All LED lights inside, good sized little kitchenette with actual stove and oven, 3-burner cooktop and oven. Real wood cabinetry, RV microwave. The rear dinette back here is the killer. So this thing is super wide. Probably close to a full 72 inches from tip to tip. And then the full 180 degrees of views out the back of the camper as well. Overhead cabinets, nice 6 cubic foot stainless steel Dometic refrigerator. Good sized bathroom with countertop space, a sink, toilet, and shower. All the bare necessities, obviously. Guys, once again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Please don't hesitate to call. Thank you very much and have a good day.